little rainfall coming tomorrow, which may be a welcome sight. It's been fairly dry so far this summer. Now, earlier this week, we received plenty of rainfall, so fourth dry day in a row. Not necessarily a bad thing, but then as you look at the month's totals as well as the summer totals, you can see we're about 1.5 inches below average this month, over 3 inches below average for the summer. So could use a little rainfall. Lawns are looking a little brown even with the earlier rainfall this week. Have a little coming on the way as we go into tomorrow. We're keeping an eye on this line of showers and thunderstorms entering Wisconsin. It's a somewhat impressive line now working its way closer towards Eau Claire as of this point. It won't be quite this strong when they arrive towards us, but this is the source of tomorrow's rainfall right along a cold front that'll pass on through by the time we get to about tomorrow afternoon. Now yesterday we were talking about severe weather risks for us. They have now moved to the southeast, so we'll be sitting just outside of a slight risk for damaging winds as well as large hail. It gets about as close as the southeastern corner of DeKalb County as well as the southeastern corner of McHenry County. Otherwise, the state line may see a couple thunderstorms, and that is about it. Rest of the night and tomorrow morning staying dry. We see some cloud cover rolling in around sunrise, but rain holds off throughout the majority of the morning. So if you have any early plans to be outdoors, don't have to worry about any kind of rainfall. We get to about lunchtime, and that's when we have that scattered activity starting up. You can see 12:30 here, that line of showers and thunderstorms forming along the cold front, and because they're just getting going near us, that is what's cutting down on the chance for stronger storms. They'll definitely be a lot stronger as they head towards Chicago. So as we get into about 2 o'clock, as you can see, they're perking up a little here, so we may have some heavy downpours, but note they're rather scattered, so we're not seeing a lot of rainfall widespread across the state line. It's going to be somewhat hit or miss. Once we get to 3, those showers and thunderstorms are exiting the state line. Will be dry and definitely sunny throughout the remainder of the day and then the remainder of the weekend after that. So leading up to that point, 65 overnight, a little on the humid side under a mainly clear sky early, then cloud cover rolling in late. As you can see throughout the course of the day, we heat up quickly back to the upper 70s right around noon, and that's about when we see a couple scattered showers and storms. Otherwise dry before and definitely dry after as we clear out to sunny heading into the evening. Just keep in mind to keep an eye out for that scattered activity generally between noon and 3, with that slight risk for severe weather staying closer towards Chicago. After that, we have temperatures in the low 80s, so cooling off a little compared to today thanks to the cold front. We'll hold on to those kind of temperatures into Sunday with low humidity and breezy winds, and we keep cooling off from there. We get back to that fall-like weather heading into early next week, a bit of a September preview. You can see we're in the 70s for a couple days under a bright sunny sky. That the extended forecast has the low 80s throughout the majority of the rest of the week. Not necessarily seeing that very cool weather that we had earlier on this month, and no rainfall outside of Saturday. James and Kristen.
Gonna have to water that garden, Alex. Thanks.